It's the All About Me collection, designed by Lisa Gibbons for Prima, and it's fabulous. You're going to love it. We start off with the sticker sheet. Cute little phrases in there: happy, inspire, encourage, my life. Nice little cling stamp set. Pop that right on your block. The frames are adorable.
I bet those would look good in the frames.
Ooh, you're totally right. Dream about this.
Chip.
They are chipped. Yeah, so they've got a little bit of body to them.
Yeah.
You can see.
They're awesome.
And the wood pieces are really nice with a little place for ribbon or string at the top. ATC cards that are single-sided. Love those. And they're going to fit, of course, right into this little pocket pad, which is great. It's
you
already
just fold
scored.
it up, and you can have little pockets, which I thought the pockets would be super cool in her journal. And that's a really nice journal album.
Little Distress Me on the front.
What I love about these is you can tell you can't make them too thick because they are books. But when you have your 12 by 12 sheets, all those extra stickers around the house, they work so fun with these journals.
And of course you can add some sugar dots on there as you go.
Those would fit. Those would be good.
Spray mist, paper pens, gloss gels, all great accents here. And we've got the colors already selected so you don't have to go through the warehouse. It's kind of hot there this time of year.
Right.
Chipboard, 43 pieces. And these are stickers. Got some nice little ones to fit right in there. And I love these up top, don't you?
And those are letters, which you can't tell at all in this video.
But once you start popping them out, you can see.
Oh, and my favorite sheet of paper.
These are double-sided. Isn't that a fabulous sheet?
There's some really cool papers in here. Wait till you see.
Yep,
Look
that
at
one's
that.
great.
Both of them.
Imagine that die cut. Now, of course, you're going to find All About Me at BlueMoonScrapbooking.com. We'd love for you to shop with us. Orders that are over $50, we ship for free. And that's an everyday coupon. Don't have to know somebody or do anything special. Just find some good products. That is a great sheet.
I know.
Nice blue, you know. And it also comes with a 6x6 paper pad. Lisa Gibbons, fabulous job.
With 48 pieces.
Ooh.